If you ain't trying to get a bag, then dip. Cause see, I ain't got time for a wimp. I want a real who gon' stick with me. I want some real who gon' pimp with me. If you ain't trying to get a bag, then dip. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to the channel. Okay, what's up, girls and guys, ma'am, sir? Hey y'all, welcome to the family. If you are new here, like, share, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell so that you know every time I post another video. And if you're a returning subscriber, returning family member, returning gang, okay, because y'all know it's gang over here. If you're returning, what's up, family? So today's video, we're gonna be productive, right? So I have this board here, and I'm gonna explain to y'all what's on this board. I'm sure y'all probably can't read the board too well, just for the simple fact that it's turned a little odd. Let's see if I can fix that. What I'm actually gonna do is take a picture of my board, and I'm going to rewrite it. Rewriting it just kind of allows me to be a little bit more specific, kind of reminds me. Writing is repetitive. Writing instills. It creates a habit of memory. So I like to write things a lot of the times. So I'm actually going to just kind of move some stuff out the way that's in my way. To kind of give me a little bit of a reset mentally, more so. Because it's really going to be the same stuff on this board. It's a mental thing, I feel like. And you know what, honestly, y'all, so I wrote this down. And instead of urgent, ongoing, and to do, and like daily, I might just write a goals section and put each of my like businesses or things and just use those as a key. Like beside each, like I write a urgent list, a to-do list, and I'm only going to do like maybe 3 of each. And I'm going to pull this back out, my calendar. I got to just figure out how to hang it on something. Okay. And I'm just going to put business things. I'm going to do each business. So B-S-O-Y. And I'm going to put public figure instead of influencer. Music. Let's be specific. Branding. And podcast. Okay. Boom. So I'm going to do goals. Goals. Right? And I have my goals written down. So I'm going to say B-S-O-Y. Right? Our goals is 10 participants in each program. And by the end of the year, this is my fourth quarter goals. Uh-oh, now move. I should write that on there. I'll just put 4Q goals. I feel like I need a different color marker. 10 participants in each program. Hello?
Hey, I'm coming past the house, and I'm trying to get to Danny Thomas.
Okay.
So I'm on Union right now. I'm trying to get to Danny Thomas.
Okay, hold on. Let me get
working. Yeah. You make a like, now you not like it. You know I dealt with you the nicest. Nobody touched me in the righteous. Nobody text me in a crisis. I believed all of your dreams like duration. You took my heart, all my keys, and my patience. You took my heart, I must leave for decoration. You mistaken my love, I brought for you for foundation. All that I wanted from you was to give me something that I never had, something that you never seen, something that you never been. But I wake up and nothing's wrong. Just get ready for work, 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 work. To me, I be work, 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 work. You see me do me dirt, 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 dirt. Tell me about that work, 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 work. Da, 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 da. When you walk out, da, 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 da. Before the table turn, 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 turn. Beg you something, please. Baby, don't you leave. Don't leave me stuck here in the streets. If I get another chance to, I will never, no, never neglect you. I mean, who am I to hold your best against you? I just hope that it gets to you. I hope that you see this through. I hope that you see this true. What can I say? Please recognize I'm trying, baby. I feel why. It's in me, I feel why. You see me do my da 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 da. Tell me about that why. When you walk out, la 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 la. When the cat from my ta.
Yeah, okay, you need to get done, and work come over. We just need to slow the motion. Don't get out of the way to no one. Long distance, I need you. When I see potential, I just gotta see it through. If you had a twin, I would still choose you. I don't wanna rush into it if it's too soon, but I know you need to get done, if you come over. Sorry if I'm way less friendly. I got niggas tryna end me. Oh, yeah. I spilled all my emotions tonight. I'm sorry. Rolling, 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 rolling. How many more shots until you're rolling? We just need a face to face. You can pick the time and the place. You will spend some time away. Now you need to forward and give me all the work, 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 work.
It's in me, I feel work, 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 work. You see me do my da 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 da. Tell me about that work. When you walk out, la 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 la. When the cat from my ta.
Kind of help me hold myself accountable. This is what I got so far, y'all. Let me see y'all look. Oh, wait a minute. Wait a minute. Okay. My October board for my calendar, and I'm also going to attach a few dates over here. Let's see, so that's today. That's going to be 10, Sunday 22. This I can start on today. Alright. Urgent upload. Oh, let me car chat. That'll be what I upload today. So this is kind of what I got. Like, I don't know, my weekly to-do list and my ongoing could kind of interfere with one another. Like, I kind of have these things going. So that's how that's going to look. The weekly to-do list is going to be just based off of what it is I'm trying to do or obtain that week. Also, I wanted to show y'all as productive as I'm being.
My nonprofit business cards have arrived. Hold on. Yeah, get into it. Let me put this light back because we're a little blurry, a little dark. But yeah, the business cards have arrived. I'm super excited. A weekly to-do thing that I really want to do this week. Like, do that go on here though? This person, this is supposed to be business. But it would be to wash my car. I need my car washed. I mean, I guess it could be personal and that. I don't really have a personal life. Unless I have, like, a date night or a friend outing. That's the only way I really have a personal life. Which kind of all entails in one, so. Okay. Wash car. Wash my dog. Maui. He is so dirty again. Check. Camera. Can y'all put the dog up? Research. Maui, come here, buddy. Y'all close the door? No, hold on. Come here, Maui. Come on, Grandma ain't ready. She ain't ready to meet you yet. Come on, we gotta use the bathroom. Maui, come on, Papa. Come here, big boy. He just hollering. Stop hollering at my grandma. Maui. Shh. Shut up. This is my life. Maui. Be quiet, because you is not going to do nothing. Maui, stop hollering. Check on camera research. Oh, camera research. I'm gonna probably invest in another camera. My dad's going to help me do some research and kind of see like what's meant for me or what's gonna be best for me to get. Saturday I'm also Maui, sit down. Oh, my dad's gonna look up these 2 camera kits I was interested in getting for content, and he's gonna kind of help me decide what's the best camera for what I'm trying to do. So I'm kind of excited about that. I'm also gonna be getting my laptop fixed pretty soon, hopefully. I'm just trying to see what one thing at a time, what's gonna be the best thing for me to do. Get back over there. Go on back over there. Go over there. Yeah, just go over there. It's alright. So, yeah, that's what it's looking like. I think this board this way might be a little bit more productive for me. So, yeah, this is really it. Just showing y'all a productive day in my life. A productive board reset. Productivity whiteboard reset. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. I hope it helped y'all in some way. Maybe some of the setups is a little bit better for certain people. You know, we have our 4th quarter goals and we categorize them based off of how it's set to my life. I have a daily section, an urgent section, a weekly to-do list, and ongoing projects. This is just something that, can y'all see it? See it? See it? Yeah. So this is just something that, again, I think is going to, I'm trying to make sure y'all can see, y'all. Yeah. This is just something I think is going to help me, personally. Something that's just going to help me be more productive. And kind of get my mind, help my mind be a little bit more organized. It's easier for me to do things this way. So, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Make sure to like, share, comment, subscribe. Like, share, comment, subscribe. Comment, subscribe. Comment, subscribe. And I will see y'all in the next video. Bye.
I tell them that I'm bossy and cocky. I want 4 rings like a Audi, like my new whip, yeah, he